Hi students, today we discuss a new concept that is Lewis symbols or Lewis structures. A Lewis symbol is a one type of symbol in which the electrons in the valency shell of an atom or simple ion are represented by dots placed around the letter symbol of that element. The valency electrons in the atom of an element is depicted in a short form by Lewis symbols or electron dot structures. We represent the nucleus and inner shell electrons of the atom by the symbol of the element and the electrons in the outer shell by either we can represent in dot model or in cross symbol. Lewis dot symbols mainly applies to the elements that elements are representative elements. Representative elements belongs to S and P black elements. Lewis structures are also called electron dot structures or electron dot diagrams. These diagrams show the bonding between atoms of a molecule and the lone pairs of electrons that may exist in the molecule. A Lewis structure can be drawn for any covalent bonded molecules as well as coordination compounds. That means the Lewis dot structure mainly we can use in order to show the formation of covalent bonds between the atoms. Now we can apply Lewis symbols or Lewis structures for representative elements. This tabular column contains group number, elements and their valency electrons, Lewis dot structure and Lewis cross structure. We can discuss one by one here. The first A group elements are lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium and francium. These first A group elements contains one electron in their outermost orbit or shell. So, these elements contains one valence electrons. Now we can represent this in terms of Lewis dot structure. We can take one example here, that is sodium element. The sodium element contains one valency electron, so we can put one dot on the top of the sodium atom. According to Lewis cross structure, we can put one cross symbol on the top of the sodium atom. This indicates the sodium contains one valence electron. Now we can discuss second A group elements. The second A group elements are beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium and radium. These second A group elements contains two electrons in their outermost orbit. So, these elements contains two valence electrons. Now we can take magnesium as an example here. We can put two dot symbols on either side of the magnesium element. According to cross structures, we can put two cross marks on either side of the magnesium element. This represents the magnesium contains two valence electrons. Now we can discuss for third A group elements. The third A group elements are boron, aluminium, gallium, indium and thallium. Third A group elements contains 3 electrons in their outermost orbit. So these elements contains 3 valence electrons. We can take aluminium as an example for representing Lewis dot structure. We can put 3 dot symbols on around the aluminium element. According to Lewis cross structure, we can put 3 cross marks around the aluminium atom. This represents aluminium contains 3 valence electrons. Now we can discuss for fourth A group elements. The fourth A group elements are carbon, silicon, germanium, tin and lead. The fourth A group elements contains 4 electrons in their outermost orbit. So, these elements contains 4 valence electrons. We can take carbon as an example for representing Lewis dot structure. We can put 4 dot symbols around the carbon atom. According to Lewis cross structure, we can put 4 cross marks around the carbon atom. This represents carbon contains 4 valence electrons. Now we can discuss 5th A group elements. The 5th A group elements are nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, bismuth. These 5th A group elements contains 5 electrons in their outermost orbit. So these elements contains 5 valence electrons. Now we can draw the Lewis dot structure for these elements. Let us take nitrogen as an example here. We can put 5 dot symbols around the nitrogen atom. According to Lewis cross structure, we can put 5 cross symbols around the nitrogen atom. This represents nitrogen contains 5 valence electrons. Now we can discuss 6th A group elements. The 6th A group elements are oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium, polonium. This 6th A group elements contains 6 electrons in their outermost orbit. So, these elements contain 6 valence electrons. Now we can draw the Lewis dot structure for oxygen atom. We can put 6 dot symbols around the oxygen atom. According to Lewis cross structure, we can put 6 cross symbols around the oxygen atom. This represents oxygen contains 6 valence electrons. Now we can discuss 7th A group elements. The 7th A group elements are fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine and astatine. These 7th A group elements contains 7 electrons in their outermost orbit. So, these elements contain 7 valence electrons. We can draw the Lewis dot structure for chlorine atom. We can put 7 dot symbols around the chlorine atom. According to Lewis cross structure, we can put 7 cross symbols around the chlorine atom. This represents chlorine contains 7 valence electrons. Now we can discuss 8th A group elements. The 8th A group elements are helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon. These 8th A group elements contains 8 electrons in their outermost orbit except helium. So, except helium, the remaining elements contains 8 electrons in their outermost orbit or 8 valence electrons. Now we can draw the Lewis dot structure for neon. We can put 8 dot symbols around the neon. According to Lewis cross structure, we can draw the 8 cross symbols around the neon atom. These represents the neon element contains 8 valence electrons. Thank you for watching this video.